Hey, just checking out this Dean Dime Camo. It's kind of buzzing and not sounding very good, so I decided to try something here. Just ran a wire from the strings to the selector, and sure enough, with the strings not grounded, it really makes a lot of noise. But when as soon as you ground it, the noise goes away. I'm just saying. So it looks to be a string grounding issue. So I'll have to check under the bridge and see if I can find what's not grounding. So the bridge post here is not very conductive with that black finish. I don't think it's paint, but it's something. As you can see, it's not exactly a good conductor. The guitar does have the wire in where it should be. If it'll focus. Oh, this way, I guess. Yeah, there it is. So the wire is there, but the cool-looking black posts aren't very conductive, so that's not very good for getting rid of the noise out of the guitar. Come on, phone. There we go. So anyway, I'll just buff that off a bit and put it back in. I got it off. I just put an old toothbrush down that I use for cleaning the fretboards, and then took my pliers, got it under the post once I unscrewed it a bit, and it just slipped out, no problem. So anyway, I'll clean that up and see if it gets a decent ground so it doesn't buzz. I just sounded the threads a little bit on the post. There we go. So now I'll retest it again, but it'll have good contact between this and the post. There we go. That's working a little bit better. So you also have to sand the bridge, the internal hole of the bridge, so that the whole thing contacts. And actually, I'll probably sand a couple. Eventually they'll wear through, but a couple of slots so that it connects. Just the coating on these parts is non-conductive, so it's not working out for the ground like at all. So anyway, that should fix up the noise. So I'll just test the ground wire to the switch. So that's where I'll have the contacts on. And we got like 0.6 resistance, so the wire is fine, the wiring's good, just the paint on all the parts is screwing it all up.